Soon. Whatever, can I edit the lives? Happy Friday. Hi guys, it's Coach Kathy from TeamFitFamFitness.com. How are you? What's going on? Today is Face Your Fears Friday, and I'm going to tell you something right now. I am shaking my ass off because when you go live, you go live. There's no freaking edit. And I've been really trying to incorporate YouTube because a lot of things I do are visual, like with the fitness. I have no fears. Good for you. Good for you. I have lots of fears, Mike, but I just let them come along for the ride with me. Be feared up and do it anyway. So I'm going to just say I'm going live behind you guys on YouTube for the very first time. And it's a delayed thing. And hello, it's scary because I'm seeing me behind me doing all these things. So, hello, what is going on? The sun is out. It's still not really warm, but it's whatever. So today's topic is Face Your Fears Friday. And since I have tons of experience with this, I'm going to do this 100 times. So just get used to it because, all right. Because I start staring at it and then I'm like, ugh, and then the grays are coming in and, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm going to do that 100 times because that looks stupid, right? Nah, can you tell I'm nervous? All right, so today's tips and tricks. One of the biggest struggles, besides the health and fitness and nutrition piece, right, is people not having or wanting more income. And a lot of the times we're taking on 2 or 3 jobs, right? So it means you're working from the crack of dawn till the sun sets and you're not having time with your families or our families. We're having no time for socialization. A lot of people are like, I don't have time to eat, you know, and no time for you. And then your health's deteriorating, and then you're just a miserable, you hate life, and you're working to pay freaking bills, right? So some of you that get the balls up, and listen, you have to get the balls up to sign up with an MLM. And I'm going to give you my little story behind that because a lot of you here that are still friends with me here have joined 1 or 2 or 3 of one of the MLMs that I'm involved with and quit. Some of you came back. Some of you just, you quit. And here is why sometimes most people fail with not only MLMs, direct sales, direct marketing. I call them network marketing because we're here with you guys. So, they're pyramid schemes and, you know, there are a lot of bullshit ones out there. This is one of my points. Holy hot mess, guys. You know what? Somebody fix this, girl. Why do you just let me go out of the house like this? All right. Let me just knot it up and then I won't play with it anymore, right? It's a nervous thing. It's what I do. Not to mention it bothers me. Okay, so I'm going to give you my story. I remember my first sales job, right? And listen, the pyramid schemes and all that shit, there are some scams out there. Absolutely. But if you take a look, there's a manufacturer, there is a distributor, there is, you know, wholesalers, retailers, and then there are consumers. So pretty much everything is set up in an order of, what do you want to call that, rank? So why am I going to go help multi-millionaire, whatever big greedy corporate bastard company make money off a overrated, overpriced product, or maybe it's a fantastic one. Either way, I'm not making commission on talking about whatever handbag. Guys, I could care less about red bottom heels and freaking handbags. Like, I could care to me. I mean, and you know what? Maybe I would like I don't know, something expensive. But I really don't give a shit. Give me a thrift shop. I'm good. But what was I saying? Why wouldn't I help single mom Mary Sue if it's something that you see as filling a need and you're making money off of it, which is giving you more freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, right? Right. Like Walmart. Come on. You know what I mean? Or any one of those. So here's my story. I was in high school. It was my senior year and I was no longer living at home. I was living with a girlfriend, finishing high school, and ended up seeing this so good, it's too good to be true, selling Kirby vacuum cleaners door to door. And I was a hustler, right? But it's a vacuum cleaner. It wasn't something I was passionate about. Go a few years down the line, and I know, because you see successful people in these companies, right? Amway. If you're an Amway or not, I don't care, because I was, but the products weren't something that I was using and that, you know, would be one of the things I'm recommending to Mary Jo. Melaleuca, great products, but it wasn't something I was passionate about. Beachbody, I'm still with Beachbody, and here's my perfect example. A lot of companies that are MLMs or direct sales or direct marketing put you through training. So kudos to those that actually join an MLM or whatever affiliate program and do the freaking work. Because guys, if it's a business, you run it like a business. And here are the keys that I find that are helping running a business. First of all, number one, make sure it's something that you're passionate about. Amway, Melaleuca, whatever, name, pick your whatever one, Mary Kay, Tupperware, the Tastefully, whatever it's called. All those are fantastic, because if you get a person that buys into it, right, and they're passionate about it, it solves a problem in their homes, it brings in more income, it helps you become financially free, and most of them offer training about the product, but also training relationships, filling a need, providing some kind of value to people. And that's why I don't care till the day I die or they kick me out. I'm always going to be a Beachbody coach, because that's where I started. I believed in the product, right? I know you needed it. And this was a great way to start my journey in the fitness industry, right? And I am able to help empower other people, help them get their lives on track, their health and nutrition in check, right? And then they can pay it forward and help somebody else. And everybody freaking wins. Like, my success depends on your success, right? But I can't help you succeed if I'm not doing the internal work. But about the MLMs, a lot of them go through training, and it says, add everybody on your friends list. Promote, sales, inbox everybody, add everybody to your group, make 10 new friends a day. Like, there's a list of things to do. And some of it is, you know, successful. But if I'm just adding you as a friend and then I'm in your inbox going, hey, I have a 10-day cleanse, I think you would be great. Like, you don't even know anything about me. So show up consistently. And I wrote some things down. And even if you want to start your own business, let's go back to, I just skipped rule number one. This was really number one. Find something that you are passionate about. Did I say that? Did I say something similar to that? Yes, we will. So, what was I saying? I can't read the comments, guys, because shiny shit and butterflies, and then I'm having 17 commercials going on. Here's our regularly scheduled program. Find your passion. I knew, even when I started the cleaning business, I knew I wanted to help people. And if you think about it, I think that's why we're all here, right? Aren't we here to go through something ourselves, get through it, learn why we got through it, and then be there to help? When Christian's father died, this is totally, you know, right, it's commercial. I was, guys, it was rough. Ugh. He was one, like, it was rough. I hated God. I hated everything. And I wanted to throw in the towel and just quit. I couldn't figure out why, when I was doing so well and trying to better my life, why something so horrible would happen to me. And doing some work and some little bit of therapy on that, right? There is a reason for everything, even if I don't freaking see it at the time. Another really good friend of mine lost her husband the same exact way. Another girl, another girl, another girl. And I was able to, if not help them directly, show that I've continued on a path, and like I found, like, I don't want to say it ever got easier, but it got manageable. And then you just freaking show up and do whatever it is that you got to do. So whatever story it is that you have, it's going to relate somewhere. If you do this work, this internal work, right? And really just stop the freaking 9-to-5 hamster ride and just for 1 second go, what is it that I freaking love to do? And then, you know what? If you love to do it, most likely you're really good at it too, right? I'm good at motivating people. That's what I'm good at. I can see that because my inbox says that. The way that I'm growing right now is showing that I found like that thing that I'm supposed to do. Yeah. Find that thing. And then if you don't know how to just start your own business, there's an MLM for that. That will help you go through the steps of, A, how to start showing up for yourself and taking me time, finding that freaking passion and sharing that with the world. It's almost as if you're doing a disservice to yourself and to your world if you are not sharing that freaking gift inside of you. So if you want to start, I hear people all the time, I need to make more money. I need to make more money. I need to make more money. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Work, work, work. I don't think that's the way to do it. I think the way to do it is find that hobby that you can only do in your free time, if you have any left, and make that your full time. And when you love what you do, you don't have to be in everybody's inbox. Listen, I post my promo, and I sat back the other day and I took a look. And don't get it twisted, I still have to reach out and post my promos and put something enticing out there for you guys to want to do. But my inbox is people coming to me and asking me, strangers, where's your fitness center? I see these girls. You know, I see this going on. I see this. Tell me, what do you have for me? Where I don't have to be in everybody's inbox and everybody's door going, hey, what can I get you to do to try this? MLM's unique. Okay, here's the other thing. So then I'm like, I love residual income. I love affiliate marketing. I love the fact that I can share unique makeup when I find a problem and it solves it and it's inexpensive and you can make money off of it too. Plus it solves your problem. You have to be so passionate about that thing to make it work. So if you're just going into side hustle like I did with Amway and whatever, I'm not knocking them. It just wasn't my passion. When you find your passion, that's the thing. To take one step one. Listen, I have my husband going through a 30-day course with me right now. I'm using him as my guinea pig. Because he's tired of working at the same freaking job for 25 years. He's gone. Like, we don't see him. Like, ever. Really. We're like ships passing in the night. So Sundays are very valuable around here. And every other Monday. I'm like, you can do your own thing. You have all this expertise. You have all this knowledge. It's what you do and you like doing it. You like fiddling with this shit, right? Start running it on the side. Like, start growing your brand. And he's following the steps and it's happening. Stop quitting. That's the other thing. So here's what I have on my list. Find a problem that you have, provide a solution for your problem. Your problem, right? Find a need and fill it. And you'll have experience with that because that's going to be the need that you had that needed to be filled, right? Figure out your passion. Be a product of your product. Oh, there it is. Whatever it is that you're doing, you have to show up and show that it freaking works. Because why would I buy that from you? If you are not showing up every day showing how it's solving it's a solution for a problem or a need in your life, and that you're not effectively using it every day and that it works, don't show me Mary Sue's results. Show me your results. Show me your results. Show me how you use this in your everyday life, whether it's oils or Tupperware or Pampered Chef or whatever it is. Use the product and be a product of the product. Stop cold messaging and stop adding people in your groups. Invite. And build relationships. Offer some free, valuable content. You know, it doesn't always have to be about a sale. It has to be about trust and relationships and building relationships. And the only way you're going to build successful relationships is if you're building on the most important one, and that's with yourself. Be consistent, and then offer value. Like, it's real simple. But find that thing. So today's Face Your Fears Friday, right? Find that thing that you could do all freaking day long and it would never seem like work. And even if you don't know how to do it, freaking Google, how do I start my own fitness center? That's what I did. How do I start my own meal prep business? That's what I did. And if I can do it, because you guys know me, you know where I am, you know the Hot Mess Express, you know the whole story. If I can do this, you can freaking do it. Happy Friday. Kelly, are you bringing beer over? Didn't I say I wasn't going out today? I'm not. I'm sitting right here. There is no bar hopping with Kelly today. I think she's working still, so maybe she didn't see this, so I'll have to tag her in it. Guys, you have the power to change your friggin' life. Just friggin' do it. One little thing every day. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Share, please. Share. Thank you, guys. See ya.